This is lab assignment 2 for COM361 by Grassfire. In this lab assignment, we have to complete two algorithms. First is the Grassfire algorithm, and second is the Dijkstra's algorithm. Uh, I found the questions to be pretty weird because Grassfire doesn't find the optimum path because it doesn't use weights at all. So I found a path using this algorithm for the graph, and it has found one solution for it, but it is not the most optimum. And the second is the Dijkstra's algorithm, which is also a weird part of this question because it doesn't find all the shortest path, but the best one only. So in this graph, we can see that the best path by human understanding would be going from start to D to E to R, then F, and goal. And if I run the Grassfire algorithm, it tries to go forcefully through this part because it is as comparatively easier to locate and direct, and using the less amount of nodes, like it is using only 3 nodes in between the start and goal. So it is not measuring the weights for it. Like we can see, even though there is a 9 miles and 2, and as compared to like going from 3 and 2, it is still choosing this node. And I try to run the Dijkstra algorithm, it is using the weights as a measurement to reach from start to goal. So for this example, I believe that the most optimum path and the shortest path is found out by the Dijkstra algorithm if we keep in mind the weights. Yes, so the code is like this. There's a graph which is all for like the position, the distances between all the different nodes. Then we have the positions so as to set up this tintar, this canvas, and this physical display. And then we have for drawing the canvas, and this is for drawing the path, the blue path which is highlighted after the algorithm is searched. Then we have the Dijkstra algorithm, which is using a priority queue to find out the different paths, and it is using the different measurements as compared to Grassfire, which is not going to use any type of cost. But in this specific algorithm, we use cost as a measurement so as that we can find the optimum path for the solution. In queue, we are creating a tuple with all the different information present, and then we can see that in the solution, in this terminal, we are printing a output which shows the path and the queue result. Then we have the Grassfire, in which we can see that it not taking mind the cost between the different nodes. And then we have flattened path, which is used in Dijkstra's to convert the tuple into a simple list so that we can like draw it and map it out. And then this is for drawing the arrows signs like here. And then this is for starting up the Dijkstra search and then drawing it on. Similarly for Grassfire, and clear path is for clearing. So this is the main part of the this assignment. I mostly covered the basic information, and Dijkstra is a better algorithm because it keeps in mind the cost and weights as compared to Grassfire, which just brute forces through the answer and doesn't try to find the optimum solution. So I believe that in most scenarios, Dijkstra would be a better thing to use. But in scenarios where we do not have any kind of information about the path we are going to take, then Grassfire is the most appropriate algorithm to use. So thank you. This is all.